southern region of Malawi. What looks like a calm place is for many Malawians a ground for hard work to create income and to escape their life in poverty. Especially here in Vungwe and Chigumula, two rural areas near Blantyre, many people rely on farming. Since April 2017, about 20 farmers from these two areas are being taught techniques and principles of agroforestry. In their own gardens, they are now adopting the concept called food forest.
In this approach of food forest, we are trying to teach our farmers in this area of Vungwe and Chigumula to be growing about the diversity of plants in their gardens. The first, you have to appreciate that from a forest we need to harvest. So we are promoting that they can grow a lot of food from the forest, so that they should be harvesting food which are nutritious, which are also medicinal, and also which is economical. At the same time, with its ecological importance.
Food forests basically are going back to the natural way that things grow. It's a very easy thing to understand if you look at it. Because very basically we are looking at the different layers that nature creates when it populates a ground, where you would have different layers of plants. You would have canopy trees, sub-canopy trees, then you have vines, and you have different layers, herbaceous layers, you have things that grow underground, and they basically all work together, creating a system that supports each other. So it's like a circular system whereby we imitate the forest as much as we can, but kind of add in productive plants that we would like to use in terms of agricultural production.
Ulimi timalima chimanga chimene timatira fertilizer, komano panopa titaphunzira za ulimi uwo, kumathira madzi, kumangopeza manyowa ena oti timangopeza usagula.
Tikuona kuti tikukanawo ku dera lathu lino chifukwa choti ambiri kusowa ndiwo zimene zili zolimidwa zosathira mankhwala ena aliwonse.
Zikakhala za matenda palibe chachitikaponso ambiri ndipompa angakhale tinangothira manyowa omwe aja uje organic uje.
ecoLODGy, being a social enterprise, we have a vision that we will combine setting up like this training center and our income generating activities through the lodge and the restaurant with community development activities. We have started working with the local community around us by training 20 farming families last year up to now in food forestry and agroforestry issues. And then we have been helping people with certain equipment and seedlings and seeds which are heirlooms, so they can actually reproduce true seed from what they have been planting instead of having to buy seeds again and again. And we are training them on how to propagate their own seeds so that they really don't depend, and they can build something like a community seed bank for vegetables.
Nthawi chilimwe ndi mavuto akuthirira chifukwa dimbe ndalikulu ndiye kuthirira akumakhala ntchito yayikulu kwambiri.
Zakasakaniza za mbewu izizi ndi zakuchimanga zimadibwe kwambiri za uku zopanda mankhwala.
For the maize, as I said, it's a monoculture. It means they just have one type of layer of plants. What it means, the sun just getting direct to the soil, doing the evaporation and transpiration. So the whole purpose, I can say, is that we want our farmers to live very sustainably in their farming.
I think they have started seeing benefits in the quality of the harvest that they already had, and it's quite encouraging to see some of the feedback and also the kind of percentage of people who have really continued throughout the year to do this. For me, it's really encouraging and means to me that it makes sense to also expand this project to other communities, because we are growing good examples, so to say, seeds of hope.